Welcome back to Automobiles, your go-to place for all things cars. Today, we're diving into a unique blend of classic style and modern performance, the 2026 Volkswagen Sleeper Bug Beetle. This new take on the iconic Beetle has surprised everyone, not just with its design, but with what's hiding underneath the hood. At first glance, the 2026 Sleeper Bug Beetle keeps the traditional, rounded Beetle shape that made it famous for decades. But don't let the retro vibes fool you. The exterior has been refined with a sleeker, more aerodynamic touch. The front fascia features minimalistic LED headlights that maintain the classic circular look, but now have a futuristic glow. The grille is almost non-existent, giving it that sleeper feel. Subtle, quiet, and unassuming. Moving to the side, the clean body lines and muscular wheel arches hint that there's more power than meets the eye. It rides on 18-inch lightweight, alloy wheels that complement the car's sporty edge without losing its vintage charm. The chrome accents around the windows and door handles bring a tasteful contrast to the available matte or gloss finishes. At the back, the taillights stay true to the original Beetle shape, but are now equipped with dynamic LED elements. The dual exhaust tips are discreet but functional, maintaining the sleeper aesthetic. Stepping inside, the interior balances simplicity and modern comfort. You'll find soft touch materials, stitched leatherette seats, and a minimal dashboard. Layout. A 10-inch digital cluster provides all the essential driving data, while the center touchscreen houses Volkswagen's updated infotainment system. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with navigation and voice commands. Although it's not ultra-luxurious, the cabin is practical, comfortable, and user-friendly, with decent legroom for both front and rear passengers. Storage space is adequate for a compact hatch, making it ideal for city use or weekend drives. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Volkswagen Sleeper Bug Beetle starts at around $29,500, which may seem high for a small car, but once you consider the performance upgrades and the heritage styling, it becomes a reasonable deal. Fully loaded versions can climb to about $36,000, offering features like a panoramic roof, heated seats, and an upgraded sound system. Under the hood, the surprise begins. The Sleeper Bug Beetle comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing 240 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it goes from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds. That's seriously quick for a car that looks like a gentle classic. It handles corners with surprising sharpness, thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and low center of gravity. Despite its power, it still manages a respectable fuel efficiency of around 30 mpg combined. So the 2026 Volkswagen Sleeper Bug Beetle is not just a nostalgic throwback, it's a sleeper in every sense. Classic outside, thrilling inside. That's all for today's review here on Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell icon turned on so you never miss an update.